Do you feel your English is not as good as others? Do you think you are not fluent and good speaker? That's why you feel hesitate and nervous while speaking English in front of others. If yes, don't worry because you are not alone. Many English learners feel like this in the beginning. To be honest, I also used to think like this. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why we feel my English is not as good as someone else. Friends, one of the biggest reason we feel hesitate and nervous while speak English comparison. Yes, many times we compare our English with others. Whenever we try to speak English, whenever we want to speak English in front of others, before speaking, we start comparing our English with others. We start comparing our English with native speakers, with great speakers, with motivational speakers. Is it right? Of course not. I also used to think like this. My English is not like someone else. I have to put many efforts. I will start speaking when I will become like them. But after putting a lot of efforts, after spending too much time, I understood one truth. We should not compare our English with others. Because everyone is different. So why we need to compare our English with others? Just think about your native language. Do you compare your native language with others? There are so many good speakers around us. Public speakers, motivational speakers, Bollywood stars, singers, poets, political leaders. So many speakers are around us. We all listen them. We like them, we follow them. But we never compare our native language with them. Why? Of course, they are great speakers. Their intonation is different. Their style is different. They speak very well. That's why we listen them again and again. But we never compare our native language with them. Why? Because we feel comfortable in our native language. We know very well. We can express our thoughts. We can share our ideas. We can communicate easily. We never consider ourselves public speaker. We listen great speakers, singers, Bollywood stars, political leaders. We like them. We like their styles. But we never want to copy them because we feel that why we need to become like them. It's enough. We can express our thoughts. It's enough. We can convince people. It's okay. When we read any Hindi book, so many words, so many difficult words are there. While reading, we can understand. But we never try to use them in our conversation. Because we know very well, in our daily conversation, there is no need to use difficult words and complex sentence structures. But whenever it comes to speak English, suddenly we start comparing our English with others, with native speakers, with great speakers, with motivational speakers. Why? Friends, English is not our native language. This is our second language. You are not fluent immediately. Because fluency takes time. Fluency takes practice and patience. Many English learners want to speak English like native speakers. They want to speak English fluently. It's okay. It's very good if they want to speak like native speaker. But in the beginning, this is not necessary. Your English doesn't need to be perfect to be fluent from beginning. Your English needs to be clear enough to express your thoughts. You know, simple English is powerful. Everyone can understand easily. So, why are you comparing your English with others? Stop comparing your English with others. Start focusing your learning, your progress, your improvement. Friends, we don't need to become like a native speaker. We need only become a confident and clear speaker. So stop comparing your English with others and start speaking confidently and clearly. If you have ever compared your English with others, please write in the comments. I will stop comparing my English with others. Friends, if you feel connected with this video, if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.